Hey, what's up you guys? It's me, SpeedX Racer here. Welcome back to another random video. And in today's random video, we'll be doing another unboxing and review video once again for you guys. Alright, so today, I finally got a package that finally came in the mail from eBay once again. And you guys want to know what package that finally came in the mail from eBay? Well, I'm going to show you guys it again, but I'm not going to let you guys see it yet. I'm just going to surprise you with hiding the package behind the front of it, if you guys get what I mean. So, if you guys get what I mean, so, but anyways, now, I'm gonna get the package already for you guys, so yeah. Anyways, here we go. Okay guys, I finally got the package, and I already opened it up in the package from the box, so yeah, I already did that, because I wanted to make sure that it was one package, but to make sure that it was one package or not, so that's what I did, so yeah. And that's why it's open out of the box, so yeah. Anyways, you guys want to know what the card is going to be from the front of the package? Alright. Now, I'll show you it to you guys, so here it goes. 3, 2, 1. Here it is, you guys. It is the brand new Disney Pixar Cars 3 flipped over diecast, and he is one of the new next-gen racers, so yeah. So what do you guys think of him? So there he is. This is the next-gen racer counterpart of that replaces Jimmy Cables. That he is also the intersection racer, or was the intersection racer until this guy replaced him. So yeah, you guys, so here it is. I'm gonna go and get my other racing counterpart of flipped over, and hey guys, he's gonna compare him with the new next-gen version of him. So yeah, I'll be right back, you guys. Alright you guys, I'm back once again, and here is Jimmy Cables, you guys. I got him a while ago, and I didn't get to do a review on him for YouTube video because that was when I was never a YouTube video first. Let me know down in the comments below, you guys, if you guys want me to review Jimmy Cables for the next YouTube video content. So hey guys, just let me know down in the comments below. But anyways, so here is Jimmy Cables, you guys. So this is Jimmy Cables. I got the made in Thailand version, so that's why he looks really nice and cute. So nice, bright, and cute, and more colorful. So that's why he looks more nicer, because I got the made in Thailand version of him. I did get the made in China version of him because I was happy. So yeah. Anyways, so let's compare him with his counter racer part, his next-gen racer, flipped over. There he is, you guys. Right? So there's the front of them both. So yeah. And there's the side of him. Right? And there's the back. Also, am I going to be opening up flipped over? Well, yes, I'm going to be opening bringing him up right now into this video that we're doing. So, because I have the Silver, but I have the set version of him. I don't have the regular version of him. So, hey guys, I tried to get the regular version of him last time, but this time I finally did. And as you guys can see, I have the regular version of him right now. So, as you guys are looking at him right now. So, yeah. Alright, now we're gonna start unboxing him. I'll be right back to let you guys know when I'm done unboxing him. So, yeah. Be right back, you guys. Peace. Once again. Okay, guys. I'm back. And I opened up the Disney Pixar Cars 3 flipped over connection racer diecast. So, here he is, you guys. So, take a closer look at him. So, here he is. Let's take a bit closer look at flipped over, you guys. So, yeah. So, here he is. There's the front of him. Why does he look like that, you guys? And his expression. His face expression. Maybe it's because his eyes are like that because he was trying to look at the left of his side to make sure the racer doesn't go towards him. I think that's why he has his eyes looking like that, but that's just my opinion. But what do you guys think down in the comments below of why does he has a face expression look like that? So, hey guys, I never seen any next gen racers has a face expression that looks like that. But anyways, I did a review of this guy, so yeah. Alright, so here's the front of him. Okay. And there's the side. Nice. And the back of him. And the other side of him. And there's the rooftop of him. There's the roof. And his hood. He has a nice looking hood. I like the nice road part on it and the cars, the two cars. I think in front of it or next to it. I don't know, but you guys probably might get what I'm trying to say here. And there is his bottom base. Invincible. Also, there are his wheels. There are his connection wheels. But there are his connection wheels, so yeah, there it is. And the other connection wheels of him. Pretty nice. Alright. And then guys, we're struggling to hold this guy, so anyways, there's his window bars. I think that's what it's called. And his spoiler is consumed. And here it is. It says intersection. Right? So yeah, guys, that's flipped over the connection racer of from the Disney Pixar Cars 3. So yeah, you guys, what do you guys think of him? And will you guys be seeing him in my next Cars 3 movie / episode? Well, maybe, because he is just gonna be for the background scene, because the next scene after I did the scene where Smokey and his friends help train on the queen, after I'm done doing that part, flipped over might be part of the background research, so yeah. So you guys won't be seeing this guy much. Well, you probably will, but he's just gonna be part of a background research, so yeah. Anyways, now let's compare him with his other counterpart, his stock car. Jimmy Cables. Sorry guys, this is just confusing of what I was trying to say. You guys get what I'm trying to say. Anyways,
Here we go.
right, anyways, so here we go. Let's compare them with each other. If Jimmy Cables can stop time to roll away. Okay. There's the front of the rope. Both sides. Cables can stop kind of roll away once again. Sorry, my bad. I meant to say there are the back of them both. Is what I meant to say. And they're both other sides. Alright. The Dogo was trying to go away from it. And they're both a rooftop. They're the roof and the hood of them both. And there are the wheels of them both. So, yeah. And there are the wheels of them both. Cables needs to stop trying to roll away. You know, trying to do what you do. Stop trying to roll away. How about right here? Okay, good. Sorry about that, you guys. I just trying to make sure that my cars keep not trying to roll away, but anyways, here is the window bars of Jimmy Cables. And here are the window bars of the Dover's window bars. So, yeah. And there are the two spoilers of Jimmy Cables and the Dover's spoiler. So, hey guys. And also here is the bottom base of Jimmy Cables. So, yeah. And there's the other bottom base of the Dover's bottom base, so yeah. Alright. Alright, so that's the review of Jimmy Cables and Flipped Over compare with each other. And you guys must be wondering, what are my favorite counterparts of the stock car in the next gen? Well, I think I gotta say that my favorite one of them both too might be Jimmy Cables, because Jimmy Cables is more colorful and bright than Flipped Over. I mean, Flipped Over is also made in Thailand too, but I gotta say that this one has the better made in Thailand version of Jimmy Cables, because Jimmy Cables is more colorful, has a more colorful pink than Flipped Over's colorful pink. So yeah. So yeah, you guys. So Jimmy Cables might be my favorite counterpart racer of the intersection racer. So yeah. Let me know down in the comments below of which of these two counterpart racers do you guys like the best. Do you guys like Jimmy Cables or Flipped Over? Let me know down in the comments below, you guys. So yeah. So that's the new Disney Pixar Cars 3 flipped over diecast action racer. And that was the reveal for Jimmy Cables with him too. So yeah. Alright you guys, so that's the end of this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like and subscribe, follow and share for more content. Peace. Man, I just can't believe that this is my first ever race. Well, I've been having trouble winning the race lately at the 4-500 Speedway. With all those next gens in the way, I couldn't even win my first race. Like, why is it so hard to struggle winning the race with all those next gens? Now I know how Llama McQueen feels of not winning the race with those next gens in the way, especially Jackson Storm. Yeah, who even likes Jackson Storm? Like, seriously. Well, I just hope that I'll keep my career and nothing ever won't happen to me. Won't ever happen to me. So yeah. Sorry guys that I was struggling there, because I've been having some trouble correcting myself all the time. So yeah, sorry about that. So my bad. Anyways, back to this video. I just can't believe that now all of our friends have been gone. And I wonder who's gonna be gone next. Well, I'm not so sure if you're gonna be racing anymore. What? Who said that? That'll be me. Wait, are you the official truck? Yes, that's me. Well, we have something to tell you. Wait. We? What do you mean we? Well, these guys wants to speak to you about something. What? Who are they? You'll find out for yourself. Huh? Wait a minute, is that? Yep, it is us. Me, Derek Hartrip, and me, Bob Cutlass. What are you guys doing here for? Well, Jimmy Cables, we came here for because, sorry to break it up to you, but your racing career is coming to an end. What do you mean? You're getting replaced by your, next-gen racer. Wait, next-gen racer? You mean I'm gonna get replaced by our next-gen? Yep, that's right. Wait, if I'm gonna get replaced by a next-gen racer, then who is he? He's over there. Wait, what do you mean? Meet the new next-gen racer. His name is Flipped Over. My name is Flipped Over, and I'm ready to be the new racer for Intersection. I'm glad that I became a new next-gen racer. I can't wait to win my first ever race at the 4-500 Speedway. What? Flipped Over? And he's gonna replace me to be the new Intersection racer? Yep, sorry to break it up to you once again, but your racing days is over. Yeah, dude. Sorry that your race is gonna be over, but we can't help it. We're not responsibility for this. What? No, you guys can't do this to me. But it was my first time racing. And I lost the last time because all those next-gen racers were in my way of winning the race. Sorry, but rules are rules. Now, I'm gonna be the new next-gen racer for Intersection. Not to you. You're gonna have to face the consequences and go home. What? But I can't do that. I love racing. Racing is my life. It's my home. I know, kid, but you're just gonna have to face it. Nothing you can ever do will make you stay here. You just can't. So you're just gonna have to go home. Yeah, Jimmy Cables, you're just gonna have to go home and let Flipped Over take on your side. Sorry, bro. It's okay, guys. I just really love racing. It's part of my life. I understand that. I get that, but you just can't race anymore. So sorry about that. Yeah, sorry about that, Jimmy Cables. But you're just gonna have to go. Okay. Well, I guess I accept my defeat then. Hey, Flipped Over. Yes. And what's your name? I did get your name. My name is Jimmy Cables. Jimmy Cables. But Jimmy Cables. Okay. What is it, Jimmy Cables? What do you need? Flipped Over. Just try to keep my legacy alive and don't do anything to fail me. Don't worry, bro. I got this. Okay. Well, Jimmy Cables? Yes, Flipped Over? You were a good racer to me. I have to be honest with you, but your time has come. It needs to be ending. You just can't go on like this forever. But I hope one day you'll race again. And you'll become like us. You really mean it, Flipped Over? Yes. Now, you may go. And just hope that you'll be okay. Thanks, Flipped Over. And what happened to your other paint job? Oh, well, I was sick and tired of my other paint job, so I wanted to get a new one, and I finally did. So yeah, that's what I did. Okay, well, I can see that you got a new paint job, so yeah. I know. By the way, so you can go now. Okay. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, Their Car Trip and Bob Cutlass. It's been a pleasure doing with you guys, so yeah. Bye. Poor kid. Wow. What a poor guy. Yeah. He's just wanting to become a real racer, just like the others, but he can't race for that long anymore. He just can't stay for that long. You know? Yeah. Well, anyways, when's my place? Where am I gonna start racing? You're gonna start racing for, I don't know, when the next race starts. Okay. So just do your training and get ready for the race until we open up the Florida 500 once again. So yeah. Okay. Where do I train? Go to the I know. Go to the abandoned racetrack and race there. The abandoned racetrack? Where's that at? I think it's somewhere at the middle of nowhere. It might be at a desert or something. Oh, okay. Well, I can try to find it. Okay, you may go now. Okay. I can't wait to become the new and faster next-gen racer. Alright, let's go. Good luck, Flipped Over. Yeah, good luck, bro. Thanks, you guys. You're welcome. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's me, SpeedX Racer here. Whoa. That was a sad ending for Jimmy Cables. Now, he's retired and got replaced by Flipped Over. And do you guys think that flipped over is gonna do good in the next race at the 4 to 500 Speedway? Let me know down in the comments below, you guys, if you think that he might be doing good or not. Let me know. Anyways, you guys heard him. You guys better make sure you like and subscribe, follow and share for more content, because we make great content for you guys. So you guys better like and subscribe, follow and share for more content. And for one more time, you guys better like and subscribe, follow and share for more content. Alrighty. If you guys also want more future video content like this, make sure you guys better like and subscribe, follow and share for more content. So yeah, you guys, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So yeah, you guys, like and subscribe, follow and share for more content, and we'll see you guys in the next video. So yeah, you guys, anyways, peace. Ciao.